What's up everybody, Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens. Today we are starting a brand new pondless waterfall, a larger project. It's going to be an interactive 55-60 foot stream for the kids to play in. So we've got the whole crew out here today. We should be here about 8 to 10 days. We're going to go ahead and get set up now. We have kind of sunken this fire pit in, which creates a lot of extra dirt for us to excavate out to use for our topography for the rest of our waterfall. Working on knocking out the rest of this excavation, on getting some of our waterfall rocks placed and getting up onto this stream. Behind me we have our underlayment, our liner, and then our other layer underlayment on top of that. A little extra cushion and protection as we're putting our aqua blocks in. We don't want any of those digging into our liner as we're backfilling. Once we have those all in, we'll go ahead and get it all locked in with gravel and jump into moving some of these boulders down below so I can start working our outcropping rocks and some of the pieces around the edge of the basin. Start setting some boulders going up into the stream. Pretty well rocked in all the way around. Got our gravel all the way across the top. We are working on our outcroppings now, working our way up this hillside, getting things kind of terraced off, and work on getting the last of these in around the lower part of our reservoir and start setting on the waterfall. I need to get this machine moved to the top of the hill. So I want to make sure I get everything down here taken care of before I go ahead and get this thing out of the way. We'll see what we can get done. Really made a good portion of our way up the waterfall here, but we were able to set probably about 18 feet of stream today, which is really good pace there. Been out here a week now. Some more big rocks on the way over here today. We just got our bubbling rock in, which is super exciting. Pretty much have our secondary waterfall all situated and taken care of. We're just working on some of the final touches around it. Liner is hooked up to our biofalls, so we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up and see what the lower 3/4 or so of this feature looks like. Working on our beaches here today, getting a lot of our edge work taken care of. Everything is pretty much functional. We just have a lot of edge work and treatments to do. Getting pretty close to wrapping this thing up and finishing up on Wednesday. It's gonna look spectacular. We are back here. We got water running on this thing. We're adding another pump to this. We have our modifications figured out. We are gonna juice this bubbler up with some more pumping power. I have gone through and fixed some of the waterfalls, some of the little details that I wanted to get ironed out, trimming our edges and tucking everything away over here. Let's get to this. We're gonna get all the dirt in, we're gonna get all of our edges tucked, but we wanna get these running for a full 24 hours, make sure that we don't have any kind of leaks or any areas where the water might be just going over an edge, something that needs to be adjusted a little bit before we take all these machines off of this site. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this here. We've got all of our mulch down, a lot of plants that are in place. Love the way this thing turned out, and we'll be back to get some final shots once there's been some plants in here and things are a little more finalized and looking a little more complete. But right now all of our edges are taken care of, rock work's all taken care of. This thing looks awesome. Love it. Love the way this all turned out. Go ahead and flip you around, show you what we came up with. you want to see other projects like this and want to follow along with all the great work that we're doing here at Good Earth Water Gardens, we're always installing new water features. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like, drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this thing. We will see you guys on the next one. It is tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, hump day. Mike. Do you know what day it is?
Hump day.
Hump day.
Hump day.